Hi, this is Rob. The Keurig K-Mini and K-Mini Plus coffee maker is a single-serve K-Cup pod coffee brewer. They are Keurig's slimmest brewers yet, with a width of 4.5 inches wide, 12.1 inches high, but with the K-Pod holder handle open, it is 16 inches high, and the depth from front to back is 11.3 inches. The height between the drip tray to the bottom of the K-Cup pod holder is 6 inches, but you can remove the drip tray to fit a 7-inch travel mug. The length of the electrical cord is 2 feet 2 inches long and can be tucked away in the back. The electrical cord is a 3-prong cord. The weight of the K-Mini is about 6 pounds. The K-Mini and K-Mini Plus are compatible with all Keurig K-Cup pods, as well as the Keurig Universal My K-Cup reusable coffee filter. Using this reusable filter is a way to brew your favorite ground coffee using any Keurig coffee brewer. The water reservoir is located in the back, but you cannot remove it, except for the K-Mini Plus version. That water reservoir you can remove. You put water in the reservoir each time you want to brew a cup of coffee because the water reservoir can only hold a maximum of 12 ounces. There are no brew size buttons on the K-Mini or K-Mini Plus. The size of brew you want depends on how much water you put in the water reservoir. You need to put a minimum of 6 ounces in the water reservoir and a maximum of 12 ounces. The steps to brew a cup of coffee is to put water in the water reservoir, place a mug on the drip tray, place a K-Cup pod in the K-Cup pod holder, lower the handle completely to close the lid. The brew indicator light will flash to indicate that the brewer is ready. Press the brew button. The brew indicator light will illuminate solid, then begin to pulse while the brewer is heating the water. It takes about 2 minutes to heat the water. After the water is heated, the brew indicator light will illuminate solid again, and the K-Mini will begin to dispense the coffee into the mug. It takes about 1 minute to dispense the coffee. Brewing is complete and your coffee is ready when the brew indicator light is no longer illuminated. The K-Minis have an auto-off feature which automatically turns the brewer off 90 seconds after the last brew. You cannot disable this feature. Remember, if you're getting any value from this video, please press the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Also, if you're interested in buying the K-Minis, please use my Amazon link below. What are some other differences between the K-Mini and the K-Mini Plus? Like I said before, the water reservoir on the K-Mini Plus is removable, but still holds the same amount of water as the K-Mini, 12 ounces. The K-Mini Plus has a strong brew button if you like your coffee a little stronger. If you want your coffee stronger, press the strong button before you press the brew button. However, most people do not notice the difference between regular brew and strong brew. The K-Mini Plus comes with a 9-cup storage container that fits into the coffee maker to save counter space. And the last difference is that the K-Mini Plus has this silver trim at various places on the coffee maker. Everything else works the same on the K-Mini and the K-Mini Plus. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this coffee brewer.